If you're sick of losing money in the market, I got you a free indicator. Actually can help you to find nice entries others miss. Hello there, Kawan here, your host in Smash Trading Right. Let's smash those trades right. Yeah, short and sweet. Let's hop on TradingView, guys. And then over here, what we need for this indicators, actually we have to come to indicators tab. So we go there, and what we're gonna look for is one-sided, and then it's gonna come up itself, one-sided Gaussian or Gaussian, whatever filter with / channels made by LOXX. So we're gonna choose that. And then the second one is CCI. So we need this to filter the signals actually. So CCI, as you see over here, CCI, commodity channel index, this one. And then if you remember, my trading cycle is from around 7 a.m. UK time till the rollover of New York, which is around maybe 2 p.m. will be my entering time. So I'll be entering time between this time 7 till 2 p.m. I'm not gonna enter after that. I can hold trades after that, that's me. So once we know the indicators, we're gonna see what we can do for the settings. So we're gonna hop on the one-sided one again to see what the inputs are. So inputs are the same as you see. I didn't touch anything, but you can check if you want to make sure if it's the same. And then for CCI, we have to change some stuff. What I changed over here per my, going and per the way I found nice to trade. So I put the lens on 100, and then I put on EMA and 5, and then for the style, I came over here. I put CCI line on white for color, and then for upper band and lower band, I chose continuous line, actual line, instead of dashed line or dotted line. It's better, it's more visible in another way. And then the other one as well, so both are line. And then for the value, the upper band, obviously, it shows over there is 50, and then the lower band is -50. So this is gonna, indicate for us where we're actually gonna have the confirmation to go long or to go short. So we know that, and we're gonna close it. So we're gonna confront with such kind of scene. Over here we have a kind of moving average from the, so I'm gonna call the one-sided Gaussian OSG indicator, where it's gonna give us some signals. As you see, if I kind of zoom in, you can see Wednesday, this is on 1 minute, by the way. So this strategy is kind of nice on both 1 minute and 5. Obviously the lower time frame, which is being 1, you're gonna get more signals to buy and sell, and less accuracy obviously. And then what we're gonna have over here, so we're gonna see first, once we got the signal, we're gonna check, cross-check it with CCI to confirm whether it is, valid signal, especially on 1 minute. So once we got that, we're gonna cross-check it all the way here. And the reason why I chose the lower band red, so we know for ourselves this CCI line, the white line, has to be just below both lines, especially below the -51, which is the red one over here. So that's going to confirm accuracy of this sell, so we're going to take it. And then for the risk ratio, as you probably know, and then as I keep saying in every single of my videos, trading is all about probability. So no one can be 100% sure of the decision they make, whether they're swing trading, whether they're scalping. So because of that, we're gonna go with the most probable scenario, which can be found. 2 is about the nice kind of spot, like you can keep it coming again and again. So that's one trade. That was for our risk reward ratio. But then what about the stop loss? So stop loss can be just above this recent high over here. We gonna aim for 2, risk-reward ratio of 2. Remember that we are scalping, guys, so we don't need a lot of pips. So over here, stop loss turned out to be 11, and then take profit turned out to be almost 22, which gives us a risk-reward ratio of 2. So that's one trade. And then we go alongside as they go by to see if we can get more signals, which we do because it's 1 minute, remember, guys. So if I go along, I can see we have a buy signal over here. But then when I cross-check it with CCI, remember, guys, CCI is over there to confirm our decision, to confirm the signal given by OSGF indicator. So when I cross-check it, I see the white line, which is our reference for confirming whether the signal is right or no. In order to be true for our buy, has to be above plus 50 line, which is the green one, as you see over here. But then the white line is still below the red one, and that's not gonna confirm it. So this is weighted. This is a fake signal, guys. So we're gonna avoid that one. And over here we have a sell signal. Look how easy this is, guys. So we have our sell signal over here. Okay, we have a sell signal. Whereas the white one is below the minus 51. So the red one, which is minus 51, so we're gonna take it, and then we take this, guys, remember, and then where stop loss would go, just our highest recent high over here. It could be this candle or this candle. Obviously the highest, the more secure for us to not being stopped out for unwanted manipulation, if I call. And then over here we see our stop loss would be around 10. Let's see if it's going to give us risk-reward ratio of 2, 1, and then yes. So recent high obviously was this one, recent high this one, and then this is above it, and just tiny bit, and yes, we got another one, and we won this trade as well. So I'm going to look for some buy as well to show you guys how the buy scenario would work out. Obviously it's the other way around. Get this a bit bigger so we can see it better. Over here, why I'm not gonna take this buy, because white line is below the minus 50 line, which is the red one, so I'm not gonna take it. That's voided. And this sell, I could take this sell, could I? No. Why? Because it's just above the OSGFC indicator moving average. So in order for sell to be confirmed, has to be first below the moving average, then below the minus 50, and then for this buy it's completely void here as well. It's not confirmed, and as you can see, it's just in between these two minus 50 and 50 lines. So it has to be either above 50 for us to go long, or below minus 50, which is the red one, for us to go short. And let's see. This one, this signal was generated above the moving average of OSGFC, but then when we cross-check it, it's below the minus 50 line, which is gonna not confirm it, and we're gonna avoid it. Probably micro trend is shifting. Yes, it's shifting, so we're gonna get the momentum over here, and we're not gonna take this buy as well. Why? Because white line is below the minus 50, which is the red one, so we're not gonna take it. Do we take this sell one? Yes, we can, because it's below the moving average of OSGFC indicator, and then it's below the red line, which is minus 51. But then again, we're not gonna win all the time, guys. And yeah, so we're gonna lose this trade because we said, okay, we're gonna have stop loss just above the recent high, and then we lost maybe 4 pips over here because we were gonna short. Do we take this buy? No, we're not, because in order for us to be buy, it has to be above somewhere here, above the green line. So we're not gonna have that buy. And then do we gonna take this sell? No. Why? Because the white line is between the gap between these two lines over here, green and red. And then are we gonna go and take this buy over here? We're not gonna take it again. Why? Because the white line is in this gap between green and red line. And then as we go, as we forward the day, which was today, we're gonna see if we could get a buy, but unfortunately we couldn't get. So we got plenty of sells, sell trades, and then we could take this one, but then yeah, we're gonna take this one. So in order for us to buy, again, just wanted to show a buy trade as well. Doesn't need to be, you know, obviously winning trade. Okay, so we're gonna take this buy. Why? Because first the signal was generated just above the moving average of OSGF C indicator, plus the white line was for a while above the green line. So we're gonna take this buy. We take it. Our stop loss is gonna be just the recent low for our stop loss, which is around 2 pips. So we're gonna get stopped out here. So we could take this one. This was generated over here, so it's below the moving average of indicator OSG, plus is below the green red line. So our stop loss is going to be the recent high just around here maybe, and which gets stopped out for almost 5 pips. Now fortunately, toward the end of session, London session, and obviously so an overlap of New York, finally we got a buy, buy, kind of confirmed signal to go long, and then we're gonna enter. Why? Because first of all, the signal was generated well above, as you see, well above the green, which turned green because of the momentum, showing momentum of buying and price appreciating, going up. So moving average of OCGFC, again I keep saying it so you know what I'm talking about. This moving average belongs to OSGF, which was one-sided Gaussian indicator. So was generated, the moment was generated, we also had the white line of CCI confirming it by being positioned above the green 50 plus line. So that was confirmed. Our stop loss going to be the recent low, can be here or could be there. Again, why the stop loss? Again, it's just if you want to play safer, the wider the safer. But to me, around here, because I'm, if I be scalping on 1 minute, around here to me is fine. So around the recent low to me is here. So that's like 8. Let's see if we're gonna get to risk reward ratio. So hopefully we're gonna get, which seems to be, and I'm gonna get it around maybe here. Yes. So remember guys, what I told you, my entering time for trades will be till 2 p.m. So just before 2 p.m. Wanted to have a winning trade, like winning a long trade, which we did make it. So we entered around 20 past 1, and then you could have won the trade around just before 2. We tried on 5 minutes. 5 minutes, obviously you're gonna get way less signals, but then the same principle applies over here. So you see, price has to be above the green line for us to consider buy. And then once we had the signal for buy, we have to check price. The signal was generated above the moving average of OSGF indicator. Yes, and then white line is above the green line of the CCI. So once we have all these met, we can take the long. This is 5 minutes, guys. So we take the long. Our stop loss is around 37 pips, and then a stop and take profit is around 75 pips, which is decent. So please consider subscribing to my channel, activate the bell, and like if you do, and share your thoughts by commenting below, and then I will see you in the next one. Have a nice time. Bye.